Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to analyze data within ChatGPT. So as you can see, I'm now in ChatGPT, and if I want ChatGPT to analyze my data, I can do that very easily. So basically what you need to do is you need to get data. So for example, if you have a sleep tracker, if you're wearing a sleep tracker at night and you want to get more out of that data, that for example you wear an Aura ring or a Whoop strap or an Apple Watch and you get sleep data in seconds. All right, so you get daily you see the seconds you slept that night. Right, so for example these are the seconds that you sleep per night. Okay, so basically if you want to get more out of this data, how can I improve this? How can I sleep longer? How do you see a trend? How can I analyze this data? So basically what I need to do is I need to press Shift Enter, right? And I just tell ChatGPT that this is my sleep data in seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write below you see my sleep data per night in seconds. I want you to analyze this data and write down what the trend is looking like. Also give me some other insights about the data. So we can just write something like this, and it's important that you tell ChatGPT clearly what it is. As you can see, sleep data per night in seconds. So now ChatGPT knows what it is. I'm just gonna press enter, and right now it is. As you can see, you see my average number of nights. You see the average sleep duration, converting the average to hours. As you can see, 7 hours to 32 minutes, variability, trends and patterns, recommended sleep duration, consider external factors, monitoring trend. As you can see, from only the sleep seconds per night, these seconds, ChatGPT can give me a whole trend on how I'm doing each night, how I'm sleeping, if I should improve, etc. It's insane what you can get from just ChatGPT. And this is only, or the data that I just shared was only seconds in sleep per night. So imagine what you can share with even more data. For example, when you go to sleep, your heart rate, etc. You can get a very, very in-depth, great analytics with just ChatGPT. You can see great trends and patterns, and it's absolutely insane. So I hope this video is helpful. You can of course do this with other data as well. And this data, or this, I tracked my sleep with my Aura ring. I will leave a link to that in the description. I really recommend it. You can get very in-depth data with that. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.